Question and answer. Page 93. What time did you used to get up last year? Jam berapa biasanya kamu bangun tahun lalu? I used to wake up early and get up at 7 o'clock. Saya biasanya terjaga awal dan bangun pada jam 7. Did you used to get up early this year? Apakah kamu biasanya bangun awal tahun lalu? Yes, I used to get up early every morning. Ya, biasanya saya bangun lebih awal setiap pagi. What time did you used to get up last year? Jam berapa biasanya kamu bangun tahun lalu? I used to set my alarm clock for exactly 7 a.m. Saya biasanya menyetel alarm saya tepat pada jam 7 pagi. Did you used to get up early every morning? Apakah kamu biasanya bangun awal setiap pagi? Yes, I never used to oversleep. Saya tidak pernah kesiangan. What time did you used to leave for work each morning this year? Jam berapa biasanya kamu berangkat kerja setiap pagi tahun lalu? I always used to leave for work at 8:30. Saya selalu berangkat kerja pada jam 8:30. What time did you used to go to work last year? What time did you used to go to work last year? What time did you used to go to work last year? Jam berapa biasanya kamu berangkat kerja tahun lalu? I used to start working at 9 every day. Saya biasanya mulai bekerja pada jam 9 setiap hari. What time did you used to go out for lunch yesterday? What time did you used to go out for lunch this year? Jam berapa biasanya kamu makan siang tahun lalu? I used to have lunch every day at some time. Saya biasanya makan siang setiap hari pada waktu yang sama. You used to work until 9 o'clock every day, didn't you? Kamu biasanya bekerja sampai jam 6 setiap hari, bukan? Yes, I used to work until nearly 6 o'clock every day. Ya, biasanya saya bekerja hampir sampai jam 6 setiap hari. What did you used to do after work each day? Apa yang kamu lakukan setelah bekerja setiap hari? I used to have dinner at 7:30 and go to bed early. Saya biasanya makan malam jam 7.30 dan pergi tidur lebih awal. Did you used to see your brother every day? Apakah kamu mengunjungi saudaramu setiap hari? Yes, my brother and I used to go a lot of places together. Ya, saudara saya dan saya biasanya pergi ke banyak tempat bersama. Did you used to go to the movies a lot? Apakah kamu biasanya pergi menonton? Apakah kamu biasanya sering pergi menonton? Yes, we used to go to the movies about once a week. Ya, biasanya kita pergi menonton sekitar seminggu sekali. Did you used to have fun in New York? Apakah kamu mempunyai teman di New York? Yes, we used to have a lot of interesting friends there. Kita mempunyai banyak teman yang menarik di sana. Do you speak French, Henry? Apakah kamu berbicara bahasa Prancis, Henry? Yes, a little. Ya, sedikit. My brother used to speak French to me all the time. Saudara saya biasanya berbicara bahasa Perancis kepada saya sepanjang waktu. Did you used to see Mr. Green last year? Apakah kamu mengunjungi Tuan Green tahun lalu? Yes, I did. I used to ask Mr. Green a lot of question. Saya biasanya menanyakan banyak pertanyaan kepada Tuan Green. Did you go to the movies much this year? Apakah kamu sering pergi menonton tahun lalu? Yes, we used to go to the movies about once a week. Ya, biasanya kita pergi menonton sekitar seminggu sekali. Okay, thank you for watching. Good luck for you. Have a nice day and bye bye. See you tomorrow.